Hello folks, we are coming to the part 6 video of the exercise 16.3 and let's proceed with the ideas that we learned in the previous question. The 15th question, they are giving us the probability of E as 1 by 4, probability of F as half, probability of E and F is 1 by 8 and they ask us to find out certain things. Now one thing that we have to always make ourselves understand that the word like and both will always stand for intersection. Words like at least, either or and such things, they will indicate union. So that has to be there in our mind, so that will help us diffuse the word problems easily and do it. So let's continue here also. Here we have the probability of E as 1 by 4 and we have the probability of F as half, and because it is and, it is meaning E intersection F, that is 1 by 8. So E or F means we know that we have to find out E or F means it is probability of E union F, and that by formula we all know that it is probability of E plus probability of F minus probability of E intersection F. So let's put up the values 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 8. We need to get the the denominator as 8. So for that let's do the necessary things. So what do we get? 2 plus 4 minus 1 by 8. 6 minus 1, 5 by 8. So probability of E or F is 5 by 8. Then they ask us probability of not E and not F. Now such things will be directly probability of not E and will be or and F. I mean that's a way, because these are complement events, we can write it as 1 minus. And this value we know, it is 1 minus 5 by 8. We try to equalize the denominators and we'll get 8 minus 5 by 8, which is 3 by 8. So probability of not E and not F is 3 by 8. How we get it? We get it by this formula, right? So we have to keep that formula in our mind, and that's how we get it. So that's about it. We go to the problem number 16. Problem number 16 says that probability of not E or not F is 0.25. You have to check if these are E and F, they are mutually exclusive or not. So we have to get E intersection F. So let's check now. Given that probability of not E or not F is 0.25, but this not E or not F is by formula 1 minus probability of E or it is, so intersection F. Well, that's how it is. If it's or, other side will be and. If it's and on the side, the other side will be or, that way, and then not will go off. So if we kind of shift places, probability of E intersection F will come here, and we have 1 minus probability of not E or not F. So we have the value, it is 1 minus 0.25. How much is that coming? 1.00 minus, technically we know it's 0.75. The idea is there, but otherwise this is how it is. So 0.75. Because it is 0.75, it's not exclusive, because if you have to have it exclusive, it should be 0, which is non-zero. Therefore E comma F are not mutually exclusive. Not. That's about it. Next question, probability of A is 0.42 and probability of B is 0.48 and A and B intersection is 0.16. We need to find the other things. Probability of not A is 1 minus probability of A, that is 1 minus 0.42. How much will that come to? Yeah, it is 0.58. Then probability of not B is 1 minus probability of B, that is 1 minus 0.48. So let's check. It is 0.52. Probability of A or B means it is probability of A union B. It will be probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. We realized that is A and B is also A intersection B. right? So let's put the values. It is 0.42, 0.48 minus 0.16. Let's add this. 0.42 plus 0.48, and so that is 10, 8 and 1 9, 8 and 2 10, 8 now minus 0.16, 0.74. Probability of A or B is coming as 0.74. Yeah, that's about it. That's how we get across doing these problems. Now we come to the problem number 18, and let's see what does it mean. Problem number 18, let's see what it means. It's a word problem. Nothing new because we've done that in set. It's just an extension of that. I'll read the question. In class 11 of a school, 40% students study mathematics, 30% study biology, and 10% study both mathematics and biology. The student is selected at random. Find the probability that he'll be studying mathematics or biology, right? So let M, B be the event that the student studies mathematics, biology. So they have given us all the probabilities. They have given us probability of A, they have given us probability of B. So let's check probability of A, not A, sorry. We have taken M and E, M and B. So probability of math, so that you don't get confused. That's why we take the same thing. 40%, which means it is 40 out of 100. This is 30%, 30 out of 100. Yeah, and 10% they study both. Please mark the word both. So if it is, this is real. Mark the word both means it is intersection. 10 out of 100. What's the probability that study either or, they have asked. So it is probability of M plus probability of B minus probability of M intersection B, which means it is 40 by 100 plus 30 by 100 minus 10 by 100. Because the denominators are same, we can directly add or subtract. 40 plus 30, 70, 70 minus 10, it is 60. 60 by 100. It's 0.6, or you can simplify and write 3, 2 3s are 2 5s are. Either you write it as 3 by 5 or you write it as 0.6. Both ways the answer is correct. So the probability that the child studies either maths or biology is 0.6. That's about it. We have a few more problems that we'll be dealing up in the next video. Thank you.